My experience with using Easy Agile programs has been easy. I think that's the biggest call out. It's just very easy to use. I don't know how else to describe the experience of it, except it's just easy and simple. It does what you need in a very easy, simple way. And to actually use it, it really is just like drag and drop, it just saves so much time. My name's Dexter Driver. My role is as a Scrum Master in Suncorp, specifically in the insurance space. On a day-to-day basis, I am responsible for looking after one of our squads and the delivery and handling their day-to-day delivery. So Suncorp is one of Australia's leading insurers. We pride ourselves on being there for our customers, making sure that we're always there to help in those tough times and providing a quality product. At Suncorp, we have previously worked quite waterfall in our wave projects, or a mixture of waterfall and agile. And we've just changed direction to go down a more agile path. That is the one thing that's really led us to Easy Agile. As part of our new way of working that we've introduced, we're currently using Easy Agile as our planning tool. So we complete a quarterly planning cycle, which our preferred tool now is Easy Agile, to be able to present that plan and actually collectively work together collaboratively and actually produce a plan that works for us. That has enough detail, but not too much detail at the same time. Ease of use is probably the big one for me. From the first time we've used it, it was very simple. It was very quick to understand. I didn't need to really go through any training, really. It was pretty much, here you go, and it fell in place. It was very easy to move things around, easy to use, and the plan was actually very clear for us to use as well. So it is something that it's used across now Suncorp in our project area. I think the main feature there is dependency mapping. That particular feature has actually been really good for us to at least look at inter-squad dependencies, so we can understand between each squad or each team where they are dependent on each other to get something out delivered. We've used these Agile programs for the last 3 to 4 of our quarterly planning events now. It's been much easier for us to communicate our plan out and actually provide a clearer timeline, especially to some of our executive managers. Easy Agile programs, we're sort of using as a way to clearly articulate sort of the ethics and features that we're looking to deliver. The tool Easy Agile Programs itself, just the ability for us to look at increments when we're planning is probably one of the biggest things that is helping us with that. Jira is our day-to-day tool, and the ability that we have to actually link the two together is really great for us to start seeing some results in one, communication, but our planning as well, that we don't need to move between 2 different programs. I think the improvement in collaboration is a combination of using the Easy Agile tool because of how easy and the simplified view that it gives, as well as the quarterly planning events that we're now doing. It gives that communication point through to our executives and our leaders and all of our stakeholders, that they can, not only can they see the plan, but it's easy enough for us to be able to talk to, and we'll be able to explain things as we go as well. So I think that's the benefit of the communication right now with Easy Agile programs, is having that simplified view as well as the quarterly planning event. I think once I started using Easy Agile programs, it's made it a lot easier in the way of our communication. So the only advice I could say is give it a go.